We have implicit relation, and to find maximum and minimum points, we will use second derivative test. So first we have to find first derivative, and because we have implicit relation, don't forget to treat y as a differentiable function of x. So first we have derivative of x squared, so it will be 2x plus derivative of y squared is 2y, and we have y, so it will be times y prime, minus derivative of 6x is 6, minus derivative of 8y is 8, and don't forget times y prime, because we have implicit relation and we have to treat y as a differentiable function of x. So this is equal, derivative of 0 is 0. So now I will keep expression with y prime on the left side, so it will be 2y y prime minus 8y prime, this is equal, and I will move negative 6 and 2x to the right side, so it will be 6 minus 2x. Now we can factorize y prime times 2y minus 8, this is equal 6 minus 2x. Now I will divide both sides by 2y minus 8. So we have y prime is equal 6 minus 2x over 2y minus 8. We can factorize 2, so it will be 2, and in parentheses will be 3 minus x, and the same will be in denominator, we can factorize 2, so it will be y minus 4. So 2 and 2 we can reduce, so we have 3 minus x in numerator, and denominator is y minus 4. We have first derivative. Now we have to check when the first derivative will be 0. So y prime is equal 0 if and only if numerator will be 0. 3 minus x equals 0. Why? Because the numerator cannot be 0. So we have x equals 3. So now when we have x, we come back to our original function and we can find y coordinates. So we will have points of 0 slope. So x to second power we have, x we replace by 3, so it will be 3 to second power plus y squared minus 6 times 3 minus 8y equals 0. So we have 9 plus y squared minus 18 minus 8y equals 0. So we have y squared minus 8y minus 9 equals 0. So we have to find two numbers which multiplying by each other give me negative 9, and when I add them I will have negative 8. So it will be y minus 9 times y plus 1. This is equal 0 when one of these parentheses will be 0. So y minus 9 will be 0, or y plus 1 will be 0. So we have y equals 9 or y equals negative 1. So we have our points of 0 slope. First point, x is equal 3 and y is equal 9, and the second point, x is still the same and y is equal negative 1. We have our critical points. Now we have to find the second derivative. It means we have to find derivative of our first derivative. So we will use quotient rule. Y piece is equal. First we will have y minus 4 times derivative of 3 minus x is negative 1 minus, we will copy numerator, 3 minus x times, derivative of y is 1. And don't forget we have to treat y as a differentiable function of x, so it will be times y prime. And denominator we have y minus 4 to second power. I use formula u over v. Derivative is equal v times u prime minus u times v prime over v square. So this is equal negative 1 times y is negative y. Negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4 minus, and we have in parentheses 3 minus x, and y prime we can replace by our formula. So it will be 3 minus x over y minus 4. Everything is over y minus 4 to second power. So this is equal, we have negative y plus 4 minus 3 minus x times 3 minus x will be 3 minus x to second power over y minus 4, everything over y minus 4 to second power. Because we have fraction here, I will change this expression to fraction 2. Denominator will be y minus 4, so I have to multiply negative y times y minus 4 plus 4 times y minus 4 minus, and we have 3 minus x to second power. Everything will be over y minus 4. And we have denominator y minus 4 to second power. So this is equal. We can take down this y minus 4. So now we will have in denominator y minus 4 to third power. And here we have negative y times y is negative y square. Negative times negative give me positive, so it will be plus y, 4y plus 4y minus 16 minus, and we have to use formula square of difference. So this is equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. So because we have negative sign, so I will open parentheses, so it will be 9 minus 6x plus x square. So now this is equal, we can combine the like terms, denominators stay the same. So we have negative y square plus 8y minus 16 minus 9 plus 6x minus x squared. I just change the sign because we have negative before parentheses. So combine like terms, it will be negative y squared plus 8y, negative 16, negative 9 is negative 25 plus 6x minus x squared over y minus 4 to third power. I just have to replace this 4 by 3. So this is equal, because we have 3 at the beginning. So this is our second derivative. Now we have to find the value of second derivative for our points of zero slope. So we have to replace x by 3 and y by 9 first, and next point will be by negative 1. So at point 3.9 we will have y bis is equal negative, and we have 9 to second power plus 8 times 9 minus 25 plus 6 times 3 minus 3 to second power over 9 minus 4 to third power. This is equal. We will have in numerator negative 25 over 9 minus 4 is 5 to third power is 1, 25. So this is equal negative 1 over 5. We got negative number, so it means at point 39 we have maximum. Now we have to do the same for point 3, negative 1. Y bis is equal, now I will replace x by 3 and y by negative 1. So we have negative, and in parentheses we have negative 1 to second power plus 8 times negative 1 minus 25 plus 6 times 3 minus 3 to second power over negative 1 minus 4 to third power. So this is equal. In the numerator we have negative 5 to third power is negative 125, and in numerator we will have negative 25. So this is equal, negative and negative will be positive, 25 divided by 125 is 1 over 5. This is positive number. It means at point 3, negative 1, we have minimum. This is my solution.